Hello children. Now we learn 4th class. Subject English. Hi, I am Amrita Rathod. So first, we play a guessing game. So, ready? They fly in the sky. They fly in the sky. Guess who? Okay, now I will show you a picture. This is the hint. Guess. Okay, so yes, this is the birds. Birds fly in the sky. Very good. So, now we see a birds related lesson. How birds fly. How do birds fly? Simple. You will say, birds fly using their wings. True, but having wings is not enough. There are many other things that help birds to fly. So, let's see which are these things. The first one is birds have a very light body. Second, their bones are very strong but hollow. Their feathers have special shapes. The feathers are arranged in a special way in the wings. The wings have powerful muscles. Now we see how birds flap and flutter their wings. Birds can move their wings easily in different ways. They flap, they flutter, they soar high into the air. They glide in the sky. They can turn this way or that way as they fly. They can see things from far away. They can land easily and safely. Birds can ride the wind or air currents and travel long distances. Can you think of other things that fly? Guess some things. Okay, let me help you now. See these following pictures. First one is butterfly. Second, bee. And third, mosquito. These all things can be fly. So, find out how they fly.